This is one of the easiest ways to turn your long form YouTube content into viral Instagram content. And the funny thing is literally hardly anyone is doing this. It's super fast to do, it's super easy to do, and dude, it literally pulls so many views to my personal brand. Is actually insane. Honestly guys, this method feels illegal and I didn't even know if I wanted to share it with you. But I'm gonna let you guys in on this secret because I know it's gonna help you guys out a ton. And really quick, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Torsten Roscoe. I create short form video editing assets for content creator and video editors exactly like you. They streamline your entire editing process so you guys can create high quality reels in just a fraction of the time, exactly like me. So I'll leave those down in the first link in the description so you don't miss out. And without further ado, let me show you exactly how I repurpose my YouTube content into viral Instagram content. Now this is what we're gonna be making right here. You can see that this is a YouTube video that I created. It's my vlog. If you guys wanna go check it out, link it down in the description. Yo, I got you. It is my vlog of how I make a full-time living as a 21-year-old entrepreneur. I'm making, obviously right here, $15,000 a month. So if you guys wanna learn how I do it, put it out in the link in the description, go watch that video. But this just pulls crazy amount of views. I post on Instagram, and it's just kind of like a cool way to post on your Instagram and turn your long form into Instagram content, and that is just these carousels. So you can see this is the intro of my video, and then next just shows like a part of the video. This again shows the next part of the video again. And again, this is like the this is the way I repurpose my long form into Instagram content. It's so easy, and dude, look at these views, bro. Oh, it probably won't even show, what the heck. So this is how I do it. Just import your already exported video into a Premiere Pro project. So you can just come in here, new project, name it whatever, hit create, and then it's gonna, do that. Make a sequence by just coming up to file. You guys already know how to do this all. And then you want to just add this to your layer, and then this is exactly what I do. I come into here, I just go into my YouTube video, I take out the intro. So this is the intro of a vlog that I did with my millionaire coach when I went down and saw him in Tampa Bay, Florida. It's really cool. This is just the intro of his video. I come into here, I cut up what parts I want. So for example, I do this. So this is the one I want. And let's just say I wanted to I just try to take the most important parts that people are like, okay, I wanna watch this. I wanna go over to your YouTube channel and watch this and be interested in it. So take like the funniest parts of the entire YouTube video, take the most important parts that you think are just awesome, very life lessonly, and also like funny. People wanna connect with you. So that's what I think about when I do this. So I've seen this video about like 20 times, so I know where the good parts are, but you just kind of scroll through here, and this is like a part where he interviews me. So I will just like take like this part. So imagine it's probably like right here. I'll stop it right here, and then these are gonna be my two parts that I'm gonna take from this Instagram, or to put on this carousel. So once you guys cut up the video, you take all the parts you want. I go anywhere from like, I would say get at least 3 and at maximum like 6 parts of the video you want in there. But I think a good rule of thumb is anywhere from 3 to 5 is right around great for these Instagram carousels. So once you have that done, all I do is add a thing on the bottom that says comment certain word, and then I'll send you the whole video. So then when people comment this word, they get sent the whole video, they go on my YouTube videos, and boom, they watch my video and I get a view, and potentially they'll invest into my brand, which I absolutely love. So make sure that you add a text, and that's really simple. You just come in the text, hit this comments, and then, word, blank, 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 and then come over to here, properties, bring it down, just like so, and boom, you got it. You guys kind of already know how to do that. It's pretty basic in Adobe Premiere Pro. And boom, once you do that, all I have to do is just export these. So I use my in and outs. That way it's just super easy. So hit I for in, go to the end of the clip. So what I always do is I go to the end of the clip. So this is where my second one would be. This is my second one right here. And then I always go just a frame backwards, just so then there's no like black space, because when you export this as a full video, and this, like imagine this was not here, there's actually a black space. This keyframe is a black. You can see there's obviously black. So if you go one frame backwards with the out, now you don't have that black space. And perfect, now just hit export. You can do any export setting, export, put it where you are at, and boom, you are done with that. Now the way you guys can post this is super simple. Just come over to the bottom top and hit that little plus sign. It's gonna bring this up. Now just click on the ones that you want. So for instance, this is just mine, but I usually obviously have like 3 or 4 of them. So just click on your intro. So this is my intro right here. Click this little thing on the bottom or the top right, this thing right here that I'm clicking on and off of, and then just click the ones that you have. And then this first one, so whatever one you click first is gonna be your intro. And then obviously you click the other one, it'll be the second one. And don't worry about this, I don't know why it's doing that, but hit next, and then boom, you can just hit next again. Then in your caption, make sure to do comment the same word, hit okay, and hit share, and boom, your long form to Instagram carousel video is done in a matter of, dude, it literally takes me like less than 5 minutes to do these, which is absolutely awesome. And I just pull more views. It's a great way to just get more views all over my YouTube and pull a crazy amount of views onto my Instagram content. I get people messaging me all the time that the reason why they subscribed to me was literally because I started posting these YouTube, like Instagram carousel video things. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about how to edit super clean, minimal Instagram reels, just like the ones you see on screen right now, go click this video right over here. It'll teach you everything I know about how to create these videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!